Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Learn Square Root, where we find out the square root of different numbers using long division method. And today we have a 4-digit number of which we will be finding out the square root by long division method. And that number is 1764. Yes, 1764. So let's get started without wasting our time and get to know what is the square root of 1764. To find the square root by long division method, we have to take the number as it is and we make pair of the numbers from right side 64, 17. So from left side 17 is the first pair. We need a square number that is less than 17. We know that the square root of 4 is 16, so we will go with 16 because it is less than 17. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. After subtracting, we got 1. Now we will copy out our next pair, that is 64, with 1 to make it 164. And in previous step we multiplied 4 with 4. Now we will add 4 with 4 to get 8. With 8 we need another digit to make it a double digit number, and we will multiply this double digit with that same one digit to get 164, whose ones place digit is 4. So we need that number whose square's ones place digit is 4, and this time we will go with 2. So 82 multiplied by 2 is 164, what we wanted. 82 multiplied by 2 is 164. After subtracting, we will get nothing. So finally we got the square root of 1764 by long division method, and that is 42. Now we will check this out by finding the square of 42. To find the square of 42, first we square the digit 2 to get 4 and we write it as 04. And the square of 4 is 16. Now we will multiply 4 with 2 and again with 2. 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Now we will add 16 in 1604, leaving one digit from the right side. So after adding we will get 1764, exactly what we wanted. So in this video we got to know about the long division method and a square trick to find out the square of any 2-digit number. And we will write it as a symbol of square root. Square root of 1764 is 42. Yes. So that's all for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel and follow for more. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.